Welcome back to the channel, YouTube. We're gonna make this a quick one. We have our wheels mounted, courtesy of my brother Julian. Check out his TikTok, KURO_X, I believe. I'll leave his name somewhere here. But we've got our tires and wheels mounted and balanced. And you know what? We're gonna toss them on right now. So, go get it out of that car and show you what we've got.
Here they are. Look at that beautiful tread pattern. And take a look. Can't really see it, but let's get this out and on the car, and I'll show you how they look like. Oh my lord, oh my lord. Woo! Look at it. They look good. I think they sit just perfect with the rear fender. If you're watching this video now, I just did the rear camber arm, so we're gonna push the top in out a little bit to get more positive camber and make it flush. But the front is perfect. All right, we're gonna continue this video with an alignment, and then I'll get you some nice beauty shots.
All right, so we've got the new wheels on. We just did our rear camber arms and now our front lower ball joints. And now we're gonna go ahead and get it aligned. And first impressions of these tires that I just put on, they are loud. You know, the reviews say they are loud. I didn't expect it to be this loud. So P4 Warren 595 RSORs, very loud. But if they work, they work. So we'll find out in our next event after the alignment. All right, we've got the car back from the alignment shop. It is the next day, and man, those specs were out of whack. So as soon as you do those rear camber arms and the front lower ball joints, get your car aligned, because I'm gonna throw a spec sheet up somewhere here of how it was, but it was very towed out with the additional negative camber that we got. Our final specs were -1¼ degrees of camber in the front, with about 1/16 total tow out, and for the rear is also about 1.5 degrees of negative camber and 0 tow total. So without further ado, let's get you some b-roll of our wheels and tire setup.
All right, B-roll is taken, fitment is dialed in. I think I show you how well everything fits. As you can see here, we've got just a smidge of poke on the rear, just a little bit, and in the front it's the same thing. So fitment is definitely good. Initial impressions with these tires, they're very loud. Let's get in the car. These tires are loud as hell. The reviews say they're loud. I
I went into it expecting they would be loud, but I didn't expect them to be like a jet whirring sound loud. That's how loud they are. But they definitely grip well. And so far with the alignment, this toe out definitely makes the car steering feel much more responsive. So I'll share my alignment specs down in the description below. But yeah, that's our new wheels. That's what we're going to be running in a few weeks for autocross and HPDE. So if you guys are looking forward to that, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like this video, and I'll catch you guys at the next one. Peace out.